annulment. I do not understand that. Did she say no give box? No give box. No. They cannot say no, Jan. They cannot say no. Oh my God. Ano kailangan kong gawin upang malaman mo na ikaw ay minamahal ko sa sarili, hindi na, ngunit ito na naman ko. Di na paawat, sinisigaw. You have kid and you do not have husband and you are not divorced. Yes. So it's not allowed to have kids without husband. She had husband. Yes, long time we are separated since 2008. We are separated since 2008. What's up? Hello. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Thank you so much. I am married, Jan. I am legally married. It was even red carpet, but it's useless, you know. That's my principle in my life before. Whoever took my virginity, that must be my husband, but useless. It's only in my dream. We cannot please everyone. It's okay. Anyway, I'm okay in my life. Here you go. Ready. Well, it is wonderful to meet you. You are a lady of principles. I wasn't meaning you. Yes, Jan, but I know there's a lot. Yes, you are right, Jan. But those principles, I just realized that it's only on, you know, maybe 80s generation or 70s generation must be, and doesn't apply on my time that time. So sometimes I'm thinking better if I get only kids without marrying someone, you know. But anyway, what happened already. So that's it. It's fine. No problemo. He is loser, Anna. Thank you, Joseph. Thank you.